Okay, I'm here in the Thales chalet, and we've got a great demonstrator of a cockpit of the future. Take it away.
Good afternoon, welcome to Thales. I will present you Odyssey, a cockpit demonstrator, which represents our vision of the cockpit of the future. To give you an idea, this kind of cockpit could be fitted in airplanes that are going to fly in 2030, the airplanes that are going to be flown by our kids. Compared to the existing technology, we have a single display systems, and we are generating images by using LCD projector located behind the surface. This technology has a lot of flexibility. First of all, we can address specific area of the cockpit that have kind of weird shapes like this one. We can also display images on curved surfaces like this one in order to display the information to the pilot using the best viewing area. And of course we need to do data processing of the image in order to give the impression to the pilot that the image is, or the page is flat, even if it's displayed on a curved surface. The other advantage of the technology is that we are not limited by the size of the display unit. We can typically generate this kind of image which is generated using two projectors. So we can display those kind of large navigation displays that are used by the pilots in cruise to work on their long-term mission. Of course, you know, today our kids are already using iPhones, tablets and so on. So when they will interact with the system in the future, they will use touchscreen technology as well. And it's also another way to make the system more user-friendly, present the information in a very continuous way, which is consistent with the mission of the pilot. And from a Thales standpoint, this technology is also very flexible because you can give to this surface the shape that you want and address all the market segments, the helicopter, the business jet, the regional jet and the business jet. Then you will arrange the projector, the LCD projector, the way you want, depending on the shape of the cockpit.
And what's the reactions from pilots who've seen this, who've come and you've shown to at the show?
Of course, they are very excited. You know, for instance, I show you the touchscreen technology. Pilots will already like to have this kind of technology on board. They already use it for EFB. For avionics today, we still have some limitation, and we are working on it. But they are very excited, and they really like to see those kind of image with data fusion and consistent information coming from different systems and different sensors. So very positive feedback from the pilots.
It looks like you've taken sort of design cues from kind of iPads and sort of mobile phones.
Yeah, exactly. One more time, we are talking about a 2030 time frame. So maybe it's going to be totally different. It's just to show you what we can do with the existing technology, what we could change in the way to interact with the system. But in 2030, I'm almost certain that it's going to be totally different.
So have you incorporated a Facebook screen and a Twitter screen?
Not yet, but we have something which is called the mailbox. It's not to send emails, but just to receive message from the ATC.
And what's the next step for this technology demonstrator? I mean, it's far in the future, but is there going to be another set of demonstrators? Or
typically, right now we have mainly work on the technology, as I already mentioned it, the technology and the benefit of the technology. The next step will be to see how we can use the benefits of the technology to present the information the right way, and eventually to change the way to interact with the system. We are, for the moment, all the pages that we have shown are not necessarily operationally consistent, but we are going to work now on the operational concept.
Okay, thanks very much for your time.
Thank you, sir.